Good afternoon. How's everybody on YouTube doing? Dave here. Coming up with another Saturday. I haven't been out for a while. As you all know, I've been under the weather for a while, and then another thing's out of the way. But anyways, I'm back, and I'm trying to get back into making, normal videos. I'm not into those big adventures like those big. I'm glad to have at least 1,400, 1,700 subscribers up to now. I'm gonna see if I can try to hit 2,000. And today I'm gonna try out the GoPro Hero 9 with the mod lens. And we're gonna try to do this underwater also. I hope the door has been secured, and I haven't used the GoPro Hero 9 for a long time, so hopefully the water won't go in. All right, good deal. I just tried it right now. Water hasn't gone in, so I'm gonna go into water again, and I'm gonna do a little bit of, just a few laps. It's kind of hard when I'm holding the tripod and the camera, but we'll see what happens. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. I would have had the GoPro Hero 10 with me, but I had to return it back to the factory. I hate mentioning it on this video, but I mean, I'm a very straightforward type of guy. For in case you GoPro users be aware, I tried updating to 1.15. and for some reason or another, it turned into a loop. The loop of death, pretty much, is what I want to call it. The GoPro Hero 10 would just turn on, nothing would happen, and then turn back off, and then turn on, and nothing would happen, and turn back off. And as much as I tried to quickly place it under the preference mode and do a reset, it wouldn't reach on time. It would turn off. So for some reason or another, the updated software or the firmware that I did on the GoPro Hero 10 made the camera loop, and I couldn't fix that. I tried several ways. I looked at the videos, and nothing would happen. So lo and behold, this one did an update when I turned it on this afternoon before coming over here to the Gold Gym. But this one was just to set the time and the date, which is fine. It was no big deal. Other than that, I haven't used the GoPro Hero 9 since I bought it, and it was since last year. Even though it's under the insurance, or since I have the GoPro subscription, I still have the GoPro. Let's see what's in the subscription. I still got the GoPro Hero, the Fusion 360. I have the Max 360. I have the GoPro Hero 5, GoPro Hero 7, GoPro Hero 8, GoPro Hero 9 with a Max lens, and GoPro Hero 10. Now, unfortunately, the 10 had to be returned. So I'm looking at about a 3-week turnaround, which is okay. Because there's either the GoPro Hero 9 or the 10 in a couple of weeks. Hopefully in a couple of weeks, I should be taking my trip to the Philippines. And that one's going to stay over there. But anyways, I woke up early because I wanted to come to the gym. As y'all are aware of my background, I work at night, and I usually sleep all day. So for some reason or another, I ended up waking up by 2 o'clock in the afternoon, and I couldn't go back to sleep anymore. So no big deal. This piece of crap Hero 9. I'm out here trying to make a video, and it turns out that it finally turns off, only to realize that all these drops that I opened up the door is still coming out. Look at this. There's still water coming out of the camera. What is the use of having a waterproof camera if water is gonna go in there? Look at that. This GoPro Hero 9 is no good now. I gotta take it back in for another one. And the door was closed securely. I mean, it doesn't take a genius to just snap it in, and then, see? It's already in there. We pull it out. You see? Look at that. It still drops coming out. You close it, snap it, that's it. It's in. It's secure. What's the deal? I'm gonna put it underwater again. It's sealed. I don't have a battery in there. Battery's not in there. It's already sealed again. The battery is sealed. It is sealed completely. There's nothing there. I'm gonna come outside and I'm gonna dry this. Check this out. I'm gonna try to put this camera where it'll look at it. I'm gonna remove the door. Look at that. Look at that. Do you see the water coming out? Do you see the water coming out? Look at that. What kind of a piece of junk is this GoPro Hero 9? It's embarrassing. Totally embarrassing. I can't believe this thing went off on me. This piece of junk. I'm embarrassed to even be using these products now.